You're welcome back to my channel. So we have a question here. The question says XY is a chord of a circle with center O and radius 17 cm. Line XY equals to 16 cm and P is the midpoint of XY. Calculate the shortest distance from P to the circumference of the circle. So this is a WAEC question, one of the past questions from WAEC examination. So let's see how we quickly do this. So it's a very simple thing to do. So we are going to be drawing this to scale because the dimension given to us here is large. We are having radius of 17 centimeters, so and compass drawing radius, so I'm going to be reducing this by dividing this by 2. So I'll be using scale of 1 1:2, scale of 1:2. So if I divide 17 by 2, that will be giving us 8.5 centimeters. So I will measure 8.5 centimeter from the meter rule. So this is my 8.5 centimeter. That's what I will use to produce the circle. I will use that to draw my circle this way. So I will have my circle drawn this way. So here we have our circle. So what we are going to be doing now, at any point on the circumference of this circle, I'm going to be locating point X. I will locate point X. So if this is my point X here, so if I call this side X, and we are told that XY is a chord of a circle with center O and radius 17 centimeter. XY is 16 centimeters. So since I divide this by 2, I'm going to be dividing this also by 2. So that will be 8. So I'm going to be extending my compass to 8. This way. So this is my 8. Place on X, point X. Mark any point on the circumference of the circle this way. So we mark this point on the circumference of the circle. So I will be calling this point my Y. So I'm going to join XY. I will join XY. Okay. So I will join XY. So the next thing I will be doing now, I will bisect XY to get my midpoint. Place my compass here. I'm going to bisect XY. So I'll bisect XY. Strike an arc this way. Strike an arc this way. Then place at Y. Strike an arc. Strike an arc this way. Then I'm going to join this point and this point together. This way. So this point is my P. Then I can call this part Q. Alright, so the question says we should do what? We should calculate the shortest distance from P to the circumference of the circle. So if this is my P, the shortest distance is this to the circumference of the circle. So we are going to be measuring that. We measure that and record that. So if I measure that, so the shortest distance here is 1.1. So my shortest distance is 1.1 centimeter. And since I am using a scale of 1:2, so I'm going to be doubling this. Okay. to give us the full size. So it's going to be 2.2 centimeter for the full size, but for to this scale is 1.1 centimeter. I hope this is clear. Thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you.